All right. Okay.
Spray it. Go ahead.
Tap it.
Huh? Probably the other tire. Oh God, this tire is huge.
We got the wheels on, got the seat on, everything else. He's got the grips and the handles and everything. Going over the motor a little bit more. 3.5 horsepower Briggs. The carburetor, we got the new linkage on. We had to tap and thread the side of the carburetor for this bolt. And then in the kit that we got, Weaver Performance out in Ohio, they sent us this this linkage setup, and I had to basically make my own linkage from the arm over to the butterfly pulley, and I ended up bolting this guy here. And then when you hook up your throttle cable to the linkage, this is the action that you're looking for, and that works. And then you'll have your full throttle this way, and you can see right there where it touches the hard stop and it full throttles. So that's a linkage setup by Weaver Performance. So once we bolt up the motor to the pedestal, the plate on the bike, here's your slots here. We'll go ahead and set up our kill switch, which he's got that mounted, and then our throttle cable and brake assembly.
Put this one. Oops.
Some anti-seize on the shaft. Perfect. it back on. Take it off. There you go. Put it back on. Keep going. Okay. Look at that. Okay. Okay. There you go. Put one side on, and the other. Perfect. There you go. That way, yeah.
Trying to blast it out of the world.
Alright, that concludes the mini bike build. I'm taking it out for a test drive. Man, it runs good. Got the reverse rocket on, got the brakes adjusted. Fun little bike.